Have you ever tried quitting social media but kept coming back? Let's break free with science-backed strategies. Hey, I'm Sash, and in this video, we are diving into proven methods to cut down on social media without feeling like you are missing out. If you're ready to take back control of your time and focus, stick around. This could change your life. Why quitting social media matters? In today's world, social media has become a part of our daily lives. But research shows that excessive use can lead to anxiety, depression, and even reduced focus. If you think social media is harmless, you should know that big companies like Meta, like Facebook and Instagram, use psychological techniques to keep you hooked. But the good news, you can take back control of your life. Why is social media so addictive? Our brain operates on a chemical called dopamine. When we get a notification, a like, or watch an exciting video, our brain releases dopamine, making us feel good. This works just like addiction to gambling or drugs. The more we consume, the more we crave. Research shows that people who spend more than 3 hours a day on social media are twice as likely to suffer from depression. Just 1 week without social media can increase happiness and focus. But here is the problem. When something is addictive, quitting is hard. That's why in this video, I'll share scientifically backed techniques to help you gradually break free from social media. Now let's get into action. Alright, now that we know why social media is so addictive, let's talk about the solutions. I'm gonna walk you through practical, science-backed steps to help you take back control. Step 1. Track and analyze your digital habits. Before making any changes, you need to know exactly how much time you're spending on social media. Check your screen time on iPhone or digital well-being on Android to see your daily usage. Pay attention to how often you pick up your phone and when you mindlessly scroll. Why does this matter? Studies show that people who are aware of their screen time find it easier to reduce it. There is a challenge for you. For 1 week, don't change anything. Just track your usage and write it down every night. You might be surprised. Step 2. Remove triggers and temptations. Why do we keep checking social media? Because it's easy and always available. Here's what you can do. Turn off all unnecessary notifications. Move social media apps off your home screen. Out of sight, out of mind. Keep your phone away while working or studying. There's a pro tip. Set your phone's display to black and white mode. Studies show that colorful icons make apps more addictive. Step 3. Set specific time limits for social media. If you try quitting completely overnight, chances are you will fail. Instead, set reasonable limits to reduce your usage gradually. But how to do this? Pick a fixed time for social media, for example, only 30 minutes after dinner. Use a timer to track your time and stop when it's up. Enable app limits on your phone. Challenge. Limit social media to 30 minutes a day and see how it feels. Step 4. Find better alternative. If you don't replace social media with something better, you will go back to it. Try this instead. Read a book or listen to audiobooks. Exercise. Even a 30-minute walk helps. Learn something new, like a language or a new skill. Spend time with friends. Of course, without phones. Challenge. Replace 30 minutes of scrolling with 30 minutes of learning every day. Step 5. Make social media harder to access. Social media is addictive because it's too easy to open. Make it harder. You might wonder how. Use app blockers like Freedom or Stay Focused. Change your passwords and give them to a friend who logs you in only when needed. Only use social media on your laptop, not on your phone. Challenge. Delete social media apps from your phone for 1 week. Step 6. Try a digital detox. Your brain needs a break. Try stepping away from social media for a while. How to do this? Start with 1 social media free day per week. On weekends, turn off your phone for at least half a day. Challenge yourself to go 1 full week without social media. Challenge. Pick 1 day this week and stay off social media completely. Step 7. Reward yourself and stay motivated. Quitting bad habits is easier when you replace them with rewards. How to stay on track? Reward yourself. If you stay under 30 minutes a day, buy yourself something nice. Get an accountability partner. Complete with a friend. Whoever uses social media less wins. Track your progress. Write down your daily screen time and watch it go down. Challenge. Each week you spend less than 3 hours on social media. Treat yourself. Now it's your turn. Which of these methods will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know how much time you spend on social media daily. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends.